morning everyone, I am Kate Park Mehta, this is Kate Saurabh Kumar and this is Kate Manisha Kumari, and we have made this model based on solar powered water waste collector.
Water pollution is a significant concern that impacts the health of our aquatic ecosystem and the quality of life in our communities. With floating waste being a particularly visible and big problem, picture the scene of river and lakes choked with debris, plastic and other waste, diminishing the beauty of natural water bodies and posing the risk to both environment and our well-being. In response to this growing problem, we are excited to introduce our innovative solution, the solar-powered floating waste collector. This groundbreaking system harnesses the power of sun to automatically gather and remove the floating waste from the water, thereby reducing the pollution and improving the overall health of our waterways. In the following segment of this presentation, we will dive into the mechanics of this technology, examining how to operate it, its numerous advantages and the various applications where this solution can be employed effectively. Our ultimate goal is to inspire you to become the part of this mission to create cleaner, healthier water bodies for our communities and future generation to enjoy. Thank you for your attention, and let's embark to this journey to address this critical issue.
The debris that are floating on that, and it is like propelling forward. It collects these waste with the help of these collecting plates. The collecting plates, with the help of these guides, concentrated here, and as the conveyor belt is moving, this whole waste gets collected into this removable dustbin. Coming to the propulsion part of it, we are having two propellers each side, which are connected. These two propellers and this conveyor belt is connected with Arduino Uno and motor driver shield and a Bluetooth module, which we can connect with a mobile phone and operate it. For the propulsion part, if we are moving forward, both of them move clockwise. If we have to turn it backward, both of them move anti-clockwise. If we have to turn it, it will not turn in this way. It will just rotate on its own axis. For that, this rotates clockwise and this rotates anti-clockwise, giving it a smooth turn. Hence by increasing its surface area. For example, a waste is here. We do not have to turn it in this way. It will just rotate on its own axis and propel forward. Coming to the power part of it, we are having this solar panel with this LDR sensors. It constantly detects the sunlight and move itself towards it, so as to grab as much as energy possible from the sun for whole structure to work. And the rolling and the pitching of ship doesn't affect the solar panel. This solar panel is storing the energy here in this battery with the help of this battery charging module. So if we are working at night, no problem, we can use this. This whole structure this is a working model. This can clean the whole swimming pool, and I am completely sure if we are deploying this kind of things in big lakes or some big water bodies, this can clean the whole water body.